Hello and welcome to another update on the Doge chart. I'm here on the 1 hour time frame. I discussed a larger time frame, I think, with you yesterday. We're still holding below our Fibonacci resistance area. And of course, the altcoins are struggling because Bitcoin dominance is going up. We talked about that over the last few weeks again and again, that a low of sorts would be likely in September. As we're heading into October or towards October, and then in October it could grind higher. That's just based on seasonalities. And we've already started to see that development start. So I think the next few weeks could be a bit tricky for altcoins, but we'll see. We'll monitor this. It obviously depends on how altcoins behave compared to Bitcoin, not just altcoins themselves. But together compared to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin will play a role there if we talk about Bitcoin dominance. But so far, Dogecoin remains stuck below the red zone here between 24 cents and 24.5 cents. So we continue to watch for potentially another leg down here in the fifth wave. Doesn't have to happen. I can already make a case for 5 waves down. I mean, it's pretty easy to spot. This could easily be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Would be absolutely valid. We reached support, but I simply don't have the evidence yet. Here, I mean, we're still below resistance. My first signal line is here, the 24.5 cent level. That's the 50% retracement. And a break above it would already start to indicate that downside pressure is easing. And then the next structural resistance above is at around 25.1 cents. Now, breaking above it here, above 24.5 cents, could be a first indication that we've bottomed. As long as we stay below that, no evidence at all that we've bottomed, and the pressure remains downward. Even though the charts don't really want to sell off, I believe that one more low could actually be beneficial, but we haven't seen it yet. What I need to see next as first indication, really, that we have topped in wave 4, in this fourth wave bounce. What we need to see is a break below this last swing low labeled wave B. That's located at around 22.5 cents. Until that happens, the market might even continue to grind sideways, maybe even attempt an upside breakout. For now, I think we're quite close to completing this overall correction. That's my thesis, but without clear confirmation that we've bottomed. So we continue to monitor that. Situation hasn't changed. When we break out, once we finally break out, the next upside target will be the 31 cent level, this swing high there from around the 13th of September. That's just a quick update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, feel free to follow us on X for additional charts, news, updates, and even updates that we don't share on YouTube. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.